Hi YouTube, this is Rose, and this video is how to protect yourself from online slander, how to file a lawsuit and take someone to court. I appreciate your time. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and let's get started. That's right, I'm going to share with you how I'm going to take Laura Lee Costly Dykstra to court and sue her for slander. Now, I'll leave the link for anybody out there. First of all, I would like to say that many say that it's very expensive, that you have to have a lawyer, and it takes a lot of time. So these things are true. Going to court, hiring a lawyer, especially for slander or libel, is very costly. However, I have done things in the courts in the past with child custody, and I have filed everything and gathered resources on my own. And seriously, folks, I probably have the equivalent of a second grade education. And Laura, you could throw that all over the internet, because I'm not ashamed of the fact that I didn't go to school. It's just the way I grew up. I didn't like school, and my parents loved having me at home. The reason I'm sharing this is I want everyone to know that if there's anybody out there being abused, you can sue them. And this is how easy it is. This right here shows you how to file a lawsuit. First thing you do is hire a lawyer. Or you can take care of the case and represent yourself. Especially in a libel suit, in a libel slander case, it's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of footwork. It's a lot of patience. It's time consuming. It's a challenge, but it is so worth it. And I'll tell you why. Because if we don't stand against evil, then we are a part of it. And I will not suffer this evil. Also, I want this for the record so that I can show others that you do not have to take this abuse. You don't. That there's places that have resources that can help you. So let's go through it really quick. First, you hire a lawyer if you have the money to hire an attorney. You want to find the right attorney. Find an experienced lawyer. Review the attorney's background. Meet with potential lawyers, which I'm going to do even though I'm going to represent myself. I'm going to get on the phone and utilize some resources, and I'll share those with you in the future if I have them. You hire a lawyer. Make sure you have legal capacity to sue. I fit the criteria for that. Make sure you have legal standing to sue. I most definitely fit the criteria for that. Decide in what court to file your lawsuit. That's my next step. Find the right venue, what court, and what location. That's my next steps. Make sure you still have time, which I most definitely have ample time, because it's in progress and has been an ongoing thing for a year, over a year. Determine what documents you must file. And what I do is I go to the county clerk's office, and they don't give you legal advice, but they do tell you what to file, where, and how, and what it'll cost, and what you do. They tell you the steps. You draft a summons and draft the complaint. And they give you all the instructions, and here's the thing that shows you an example and the form. Draft a certificate of service. File complaint with the appropriate court. Once you file the complaint with the appropriate state court, the complaint is served to the defendant, which is Laura Lee Dykstra. I file proof of service that she has been served, and I can do it through the mail or hire somebody to go take it to her house. Participate in the discovery process. File pre-trial motion, because before they start the trial, attorneys will file motions with the court to try and have certain evidence kept out of the trial, or to have the case dismissed entirely. The judge will typically rule on these motions before the trial begins. Wonderful. This is exciting. I cannot wait. And then choose a jury. I can decide whether I want a jury or not. Give opening statements. Present and cross-examine witnesses, so I can, when I file this, I can call any witness I want and give evidence I want. And because it's legal due process, Laura's got to show up to court. She has no other alternative. I give my closing arguments, and then a verdict is decided. And that's how easy it is. And I guarantee you this is happening. I guarantee you I will have completion. And I guarantee you I will be suing Laura. And I will win. Thank you very much. And at the very least, I'll have my day in court. Amen? Thank you for your time.